Ready? So we are talking about 100 sentences which we have prepared for daily conversation. These are in question answer form and we shall be practicing some of them today. Okay? What is your name?
My name is Sonali Ajay Bhoi.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Where are you from?
I am from Nashik.
How old are you?
I am 32 years.
Old. I am 32
32
years
years
old.
old.
Say it again. फिर से बोलो.
I am 32 years old.
Very good. What do you do?
I am tailor.
I am a tailor.
I
बोलो.
am a tailor.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English little bit, but
Good. But I am learning.
I am learning.
आपने बहुत अच्छे से बोला, इधर उधर मत देखो. फिर से बोलो. Do you speak English?
Yes, I am speak English.
I speak English.
I
Okay?
speak
फिर से
English.
बोलिए. Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English little bit. I learn.
I am learning.
I am learning.
Very good. Can I help you?
Yeah,
Yes, please.
yes, please.
I need your help.
Yes, please. I need your help.
Okay. What is your father's name?
My father's name is Gorak More.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Tara More.
One more time. What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Tara More.
Very good.